GetResponse CRM Review. Watch before using. Most people get CRM platforms wrong. They think they are only for big sales teams or too complex for small businesses. The surprising truth about GetResponse CRM is that it combines email marketing, automation, and lead management into one intuitive platform, and you won't believe how streamlined managing contacts can be. Here's how it works. GetResponse allows you to capture leads, track interactions, and automate follow-ups. Its drag-and-drop automation workflow means you can set triggers based on actions like opening emails, visiting pages, or clicking links. For example, a small business selling online courses can automatically send a welcome email, follow up with a discounted offer, and segment customers based on engagement all without touching a spreadsheet. Most people get this wrong. They assume automation is complicated, but GetResponse makes it visual and simple. Additional features include analytics dashboards, landing page builders, webinar integration, and lead scoring. Users praise the combination of CRM and marketing tools, which eliminates the need for multiple platforms and saves time. However, there are considerations. While easy to start, complex workflows require planning, and some advanced features are only available in higher-tier plans. Most people assume all-in-one means perfect for every business. Small tweaks are still necessary to match your specific sales process. In conclusion, GetResponse CRM is ideal for businesses seeking a straightforward, automated, and integrated approach to managing leads and marketing campaigns without juggling multiple tools. Subscribe for more honest reviews of CRM and marketing platforms.